Here we have an equation with fractions, so let's take a first step and let's multiply through. We're using the multiplication property of equality. We'll multiply through by the least common denominator, and once we simplify, this equation will no longer have fractions. So check the denominators, 3, 4, 12, and 2. The LCD is 12, so I'll use the multiplication property and I'll multiply every single term by 12. So the first term by 12, 2/3, plus 12 times x over 4 is equal to 12 times 5/12 plus 12 times x over 2. And now let's simplify. Notice 3 divides into 12 4 times, so I have 4 times 2, or 8. And then 4 divides into 12 3 times, and I have 3 times x, or 3x. And then these 12s divide out, and I have 1 times 5, or 5. And then 2 divides into 12 6 times, I have 6 times x, or 6x. And notice, like I said, my equation no longer has fractions. I don't have parentheses, I don't have any like terms I can combine on each side of the equation. I'm going to move variable terms to the right and constants to the left now. So I'll rewrite my equation, leaving a little space. And what I'll do next is I'll subtract 3x on the left side, and I'll subtract 3x on the right side. And let's see what happens. On the left side I have 8. On the right side I have 5 plus 6x minus 3x is 3x. Now I'll subtract 5 from both sides. So the left side I'll subtract 5. The right side I must also subtract that same amount. And look what happens. 8 minus 5 is 3. On the right side, 5 minus 5, that's 0. And 0 plus 3x is simply 3x. Now I've got variable term on one side, constants on the other. I'll finish solving by dividing both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 3. The right side simplifies to x, and the left side, 3 divided by 3, is 1. So my solution is 1.